everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to connect Payoneer to PayPal. So first, you just have to log into your PayPal account. To do that, go to any web browser, type PayPal, and log into your account. Now, as you see here, this is what PayPal looks like, and all you have to do is to go to Add Card or Bank. Tap this one here. It will take you directly to another page. Here you have two options, link a credit card or link a bank account. Select the second one. And as you can see here, you have to type your bank name, bank code, and account number. Now to enter this, you have to go to your Payoneer account and then log in. Now you have to go to bank accounts or get paid, but you have to select this receiving account. So either get paid or bank account as long as you tap this receiving accounts. And all you have to do is click get started. Okay, so click next and then select the country where you want to receive your money. Click next and then submit request. Now, if you want to open an account here, all you have to do is submit any of the following here. So to open your receiving accounts, please provide us with the documents listed below. Okay, so once you've submitted and created a receiving account, what you want to do is to simply copy that account number. Okay, as you see here, it's processing. So once it is done, or you have your account details for your receiving accounts, all you have to do is to go back to your PayPal, paste the account number here, and then link your bank. As easy as that. So that's how easy it is to connect your PayPal to your Payoneer or your Payoneer to your PayPal. So I really hope that this video helped you. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.